So here I am, guys. I've just come into the show now, and the first truck I see is this Kenworth, which is absolutely amazing. Just check out the inside of this. Is that something else? This is one beautiful truck. It is just amazing. And that's the first one I've seen as I've got here. I'm in awe of this place. It's going to be... I don't know how long I'm going to end up staying here now. But, oops. It's just beautiful, is that? And then we go on. We press on to the next one, and the next one. There is a hell of a show out here. This is something else. And what we got next? Let's have a look at this one here. It's a bit dark in there, I don't know whether I'll pick that up or not. Okay, there you go. All leather interior. I'm not too sure about the purple. This is a whole different aspect on trucking. Let me just get back a bit. Is that the badassest looking truck you've ever seen, eh? That is one bad, mean truck. You see they're on air suspension all dropped down at the front. You obviously can't drive like that. But they'll drop the suspension right down just for the show here, and then they'll lift it back up again. So we've got a cab over there. I'm not a real favourite of cab overs, to be fair. They're not my cup of tea. I've driven one for long enough, haven't I? Well, guys, this is feeling a bit horny over there. Sorry. Let's have a look in this. Look at that for a paint job. Is that the sweetest paint job? White carpet. Now that was an idea. These dashboards here, you're talking 5 up to 10 grand, I think, something like that for your dashboard. Hey Steph, I'm thinking of spending 10 grand on a dashboard. What do you think? I think I know what the answer would be to that. Dirty hooker. Dirty hooker up there, look. I think a few of them are moving out. Over here. Look at that badass. That's a bad one. That's white. That's very white. That's a mean one, isn't it, that? I don't care if there's smoke. There's something about twin stacks. If you're following twin stack, not everybody will get it, but most people get it. It's just something else. That's my art. My wife is into art, and we did a lot of museums when we were on holiday. I can appreciate that she appreciates that, but this right there, that is my art. I could stare at these for hours and hours. Even though I've been driving for 32 years, still get a massive kick out of them. There's the goose. That's got your long cab on it. Got a little Mac there. Even the tipper truck looks bad. Looks evil. Look at that. Freightliner. That's the screen I want. One of those I'm after. Let's make that look pretty. Yeah, he's done a good job on that. Like the colour. For your basics, your farmers, we have a tractor. Look at that. I always think the cab overs look really funny when they're a day cab. Look how weird that looks. Does that look weird? That looks weird. Looks like if he brakes too hard, that's going to tip over. Some beautiful paint job on that. Moving along. Kenworth, black Peterbilt, very black. Another Kenworth. Nice matching fridge, reefer fridge, whatever you want to call it, I like that. Lovely colour. I like that rather than white, I like that cream. Tell you what guys, have a look inside of this one. Shame I couldn't get down here last night, to be fair. I love all this leather interior. Now that is one beautiful interior. Would you have nights out in that, guys? The boss asked you. Do you mind having an extra night out? What would you say? Huh? Again, more. I don't know if I was meant to get this magazine. Oh well, I have done. I think quite a few are pulling out. It's Sunday gone lunchtime now, and people are moving on. I don't even know what got best in show or anything, so I'll have to ask about and see what we've got. Some beautiful low loaders there for the low loader guys. Look at that, look how pristine that trailer is. Look at it. Plenty of people about. Right, I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then I'll do you a little video from the inside of this shop. Go talk to a few guys and see what's happening. Catch you later, guys. Bye.